y'all, Rave with Shay here. Today we're going to be talking all about how to sign up for family PKs as well as how to sign up for agency PKs. Because it's March of 2022, check down in the link in the description below for the link to sign up for agency and to sign up for family PKs. What we'll do now is we'll go ahead and talk about what the agency PKs are, and then we'll dig into the March family PKs. Let's go ahead and talk about the agency PKs. Agency PKs tend to stay the same from month to month. Now the themed agency PKs as well as the friendly agency PKs all have a bean minimum. For friendly, you need 250 beans and you'll get a 750 bean rebate. For the themed PKs, you need 430 beans and the winner gets 2,000 beans, the loser gets 1,000 beans. There's a different theme for every day. We can go through those right now. I believe it's Wellness Wednesday, Makeup Monday, Self-Care Sunday. I just did one of those. I'll pop a picture up. It used to be just a participation award, so I no longer really recommend those agency PKs. The one that I used to really highly recommend was the Impossible Star, because you would get 10,000 beans, and if you hit that, then you would get 5,000 bean reward, which is about a 50% rebate. Instead, I highly recommend the HIGH Rebate family PKs. Because March is International Women's Day, there's a Women's History Month PK. It's a 50% winner takes all. There's a 60% host reward for the video game battle BYOB. That means that you can bring whatever opponent you want, and as the host, you'll get 60% of any of your gifts. There's no chance of maybe losing. It doesn't matter. You get 60%. It's guaranteed. So invite everyone you know. There's also 80%, 75%, and 70% PKs. And for those, it's winner takes all. So you gotta be careful and make sure that you invite the right people and that you know that you're able to win. The Lucky Dino PK is a 55% winner reward and 10% for the loser. There's also a Pie versus Pie PK. It's 45% for the host, 15% for the partner. There's also an Infinite Stars PK. For that, the winner gets 40%, the loser gets 10%. I steer clear from these. I would prefer to do the higher rebates. There's also a Puppy Party BYOB, meaning you bring your own partner, bring your own BYOB. I don't know. Bigo friend? It's 35% for the host, 15% for the partner. There's also a World Theater PK. That's a 30% for the winner and 20% for the loser. The Video Game Battle PK is 60% for the host, so that one, guaranteed 60%. Highly recommend that one. The Lucky Shamrock PK started in the middle of March. That one's available March 15th on, and that one's 75%. So that's the highest rebate that there is available right now, I believe. The 80% PKs only happened in the first half of the month. Then there's also a Non-Stop Motion PK. That one just started for the second half of March as well, and that's a 70% winner takes all. And I believe you can get up to 200,000 beans, so that's pretty cool. The Hydrate to Success PK is a 40% winner, but the loser actually gets 20%, so that's kind of high for a loser or a partner. That's it for March. Stay tuned for next month where we'll talk about the April family PKs and the April agency PKs. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'm Rave with Shay. Come find me on Bigo. My Bigo ID is Rave with Shay, SHAI. I'll see you there. Much love. Peace.